Hi everyone, it's Joy from Standby to Fly. So our son works for a major airlines, and so we have an opportunity to fly in those unsold seats. We never know where we're going, where we're going to end up, and how we're going to get there. But one of the things I've learned over the last 3 years of traveling monthly is you need a couple important tricks and tips. One of the tips I have for you today, I picked up these on Amazon, and they're called the electrolytes. I know it is always a huge problem if you get dehydrated while traveling. I normally would carry around the little crystal type packets that you pour in your water, you shake it up and you drink. Well, in case I don't have water, or maybe I just eaten and I can't drink a whole bottle of water, I discovered these wonderful tablets. So they come in 4 different flavors: watermelon, orange, lemon, lime, and strawberry. And you actually take 2 of them at a time, and they taste really good. I'm surprised. So the tablets are about yay big. Your canister isn't very big, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. Just pop them in your mouth wherever you are. I highly recommend always when you're on a flight, stay hydrated. If you're going to some of those countries that have questionable water, these are excellent to take in case you get tummy issues. So just another helpful tip that I wanted to pass along with you. Have a great day. It's not going to turn off.